Hey, welcome to Kids Art Now. I'm Marissa, and today we're going to be drawing a cute Cinderella. The first step we're going to take is to draw a big curve like this. Now take the curve at the bottom and make another little curve. At the top, you make a bump that goes down, 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 and stop. On the left, we go up. And then start at the edge, make a little tiny bump and another tiny bump. Go up, over, and these are going to be like the swoops of her hair, so just kind of swoop over and bump all the way out. Now let's fill it in. On the right, we're going to make kind of like an S shape. Over on the left, let's make a curve out and a bump in that goes just to the center of the head. On the other side, stop so we can make the neck later at the bottom. From her ear, we're going to make the rest of her hair just go up and stop. This part is going to be part of her headband. Goes up with a curve and stop about there. From the top of that, just make the part of the headband at the bottom. Now go up to make the rest of the hair on top. From the right side, kind of make a line that goes up and we're going to make a bump. A bump on top. Kind of go a little bit down. There you go. From the middle of that bump, just make a bump that curves in and connect the rest of the hair. Looks good. Now let's make the neck. Now on the left side, just go down and bring that line in. She's kind of wearing like this necklace. So just bring a line down and bring a line down on the next side and draw a line to close it up. On the right, you're going to go down and then down again. Make like a bump for one of the shoulders on her dress. A line in, curve, and go down just a bit. Draw the arm, go down. Draw the arm, go down. If you mess it up like me, that's okay. Now bring a bump. Here we go. Now let's work on the other side. Draw a line down, a line over, down a bit, and around. For the rest of the dress in the middle, just draw two lines that go in, kind of like a V. Make one of the lines shorter on the left so that the dress can have a center part like this with a bump. Let's work on her arm. Just go out. Go out again. And if I'm going too fast, make sure you pause the video so you can get it all right. There we go, just a little curve. And a curve. From that curve, draw a line that goes in and in again, just like a little V. Let's work on the sides of her poofy dress. Just go out. The middle, swoop inwards like this. And swoop in again. Looks great. Now let's work on the hand. Bring a line up and in. These are more going to be like gloves that she's going to wear. So the fingers don't have to be exact. It's like a glove. Just kind of make those lines and end it there with the curved line in. We're going to bring a swoop to the bottom of the dress line. We're going to extend that out. Let's make the bottom go down and kind of make a line that goes in like that. We're going to make these little lines that are curved, kind of like a little pattern. Make these bumps that go down the side of the dress. Now I drew a line that goes curved at the bottom. Curve again to make it connect to those little bump lines. We're going to make these little tiny bumps inside of each of those curves. Bump, 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 bump. Bump, bump, bump. From the top, we're going to swoop in. Make a lot of little patterns. Make it go into one of the curves. Let's go down, just like that, and in. And bring it to a close. Let's draw a line in. Another curved line in. Line kind of to the side, and a curved line that swoops all the way to the corner, and another little dress line. There we go. A line in. Draw a curve and a line down. I'm going to draw a line that makes it so it looks like a glove. Let's work on the next glove. Go out just a bit. Bring a curved line in. And a curve. And a bump. Another little line. I'm going to draw a line, one more. Make it look more defined. Draw that line so it looks like a glove. At the top, let's make some creases in her hair. Curves, curves. Start working on her face. For the eye, We're gonna make it more cute and cartoony. Draw just a big oval with a curved line and 2 little eyelashes. Draw a little curve, or you can use like a white gel pen at the end if you want to make the little dot, or you can make a little curved dot inside of her eye right now. Little eyelashes, eyelash, and a mouth to finish it off. Really cute. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Please subscribe for brand new drawings, and I will see you next time. Bye.